In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play this new game called YAPYAP. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. Firstly, you will need to have Steam. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free. It only takes a few seconds. Then log into your account, and once you are at the home page, you just need to search for YAPYAP right here and you should find it. So it's discounted right now, so we can click here and click on add to cart, then view my card, and we can continue to the payment. You can choose between the different payment methods. You have PayPal, credit card, or more depending on your country, and then just click on purchase. After this, we can click on this install content button, or we can go to library and then collections, and right here just search for the game. So click on install, select the drive where you want to install this game and click install. Now we can click this progress bar at the bottom so we can see how the download is going, and in just a minute my game should be ready to play. And now the download is complete, so we can go to the collections, we can click the game, and we can see we can just click the play button and start playing the game. Steam will also give you like a few hours to test the game, and if you don't like it or if it's too hard for you or you are finding any trouble, you can just request a refund and they should give it to you. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.